All right, we are literally crossing from segment 3 to 4. This is the trailhead. Not much here, except for parking. Let's look at the map, see where we're going. So I decided to push on to get, close to 1,000 feet out of the 2,500 that this first part of section 4 demands. Oh, there's a mountain lion. Purify all water. Okay. Wow, this is just good stuff. I think it's pretty hard to have 3 liters of extra water and still be hiking, but oh, somebody's coming in. Oh, okay, so we're gonna go up and over and to the right. All right, I got 2 miles. It's 11,000 peak over there. All right, so I rushed today through the last part of section 3 to cut off these 1,000 miles for, add them to today instead of tomorrow. 1,000 miles, 1,000 feet. I rushed through in the sense I pushed myself because I wanted to give myself on this section plenty of time, and I've given myself, it's 5 o'clock now, sun sets depending on where you are in the mountain between 8 and 8:30, so I can go, it's 2 miles from here. I don't know where the campsite is, so 2.5 miles, but I can certainly go 1 mile an hour. And I'm sure I will be going pretty close to that because this is going to go pretty straight uphill. So this is segment 4, a lot of initial incline. It's going to get us up to 10,000 tomorrow, and we'll stay at 10,000, go up and down from there for the, a whole lot of the rest of the trail. So thanks for tuning in today, and tune in tomorrow, see what the campsite looks like and the wilderness area. I'm really excited for the wilderness area. It's a good idea, I think, how it's going to look. All right, till tomorrow. So I'm 2 miles in on segment 4. I don't know if you can see this. Most of the incline is on this old logging road. This right here is a very small incline. The farther down is a very large incline, and you just gotta stick to it. But I turned on the camera because hopefully we'll see through this. I'm at 8,000 something or other, 85 or so, and then you can see tomorrow we're just entering the wilderness area. Fantastic. Let's see if I can cut through these trees. One of the things I've noticed right away is there are some aspen groves. I met a couple of guys just now who said, yeah, you're gonna love it after the climb, first thing in the morning. Oh, I gotta fill out the form. Yeah, you can, well, that's the far one. Maybe just through these trees you can see the top of the first, and then behind that is a meadow. They're saying, yeah, there's a huge meadow, it's gonna be gorgeous. And then oh, I just saw moose down below. That was pretty cool. So things are happening, so I'm gonna go sign into the wilderness area. That's one of the only permitting concept that they have, is got to sign in, sign out. Whew. Luckily I read that. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop. You can see some aspens right behind here. Oh man, those are nice. All right, I'm gonna make it. It's gonna be, the challenge is all but finished for tonight, and then tomorrow start off with that climb up there. You can still see some of it through the trees here. That's going to be 1,800 feet. 1,500 feet. And then it's basically smooth sailing all the way to Kenosha Pass, segment 5. So I'm pretty happy I did this. I think this is going to be nice.